since we started using Elastic Observability, it has helped us tremendously. The Netherlands Chamber of Commerce, or Kamer van Koophandel, KVK, they are the only organization that is allowed to register organizations and businesses. And these organizations and businesses are legally required to register. We have lots of different monitoring tools with different teams. We looked at the current situation and we found that with the focus on customer experience, because that's very important, we found that sometimes services are broken, there can be delays, or it's just unreliable, and of course we want to improve all that. So we want to have realistic time estimates. We want to be quickly, swift updates. We want to know what's going on, or at least have an idea of what's going on. Elastic provides that. Elastic Observability is the platform that is very easy to integrate in your infrastructure. It's very easy to attach APM agents to the applications to get that output you need. And then suddenly we had a couple of applications where we could show these devs what was possible, and they were blown away. They came back with like, I see the latency now, and I can follow the whole trace ID, so I can follow the whole request until the end, until the latest database, and I have even information about the quality of the statements that are going out towards the database. So it gave them so much more insight that's actually needed for them to make good applications. They can very easily now see the impact of the change in the landscape. And last but not least, security. You need to know the root cause of an incident to be able to say something about its impact, especially when you discover when it's security related. I love the way I communicate with the Elastic team